develop. At first, a horizontal line, imaginary horizontal line drawn from oblique fissure. Then it divides upper lobe into upper part and lower part. Then a imaginary Y drawn in upper part and it divides it apical segment, anterior segment and posterior segment. Then another horizontal line drawn in lower part. This is superior lingam and inferior lingam. In case of lower lobe, a horizontal line drawn from the oblique fissure. This is apical segment of lower lobe. Then two vertical lines drawn, and it divides the segment into anterior basal, lateral basal, and posterior basal. This is the medial basal segment. Bronchopulmonary segment of right lung. There are three lobes of right lung: upper lobe, middle lobe, and lower lobe. A imaginary Y drawn in upper lobe. This is apical segment, anterior segment, and posterior segment. In middle lobe, a vertical line drawn and it divides in medial segment and lateral segment. In lower lobe, a horizontal line divides it apical segment of lower lobe and in thoracic organ. Group 4, trachea, esophagus, and thoracic tract. Left subclavian vein and left common carotid artery. Group 4, phrenic nerve, and group 4, vagus nerve. In case of right lung, cardiac impression for right atrium, superior vena cava, group 4, inferior vena cava. Then arch for azygous vein, right common carotid artery, right subclavian vein, group 4, esophagus and trachea. Now the relation of hilum. In case of left lung, left pulmonary artery, left principal bronchus, and two pulmonary vein. This is pulmonary ligament. In costal surface, there is impression for ribs. It's a pleura. Apex is covered by cervical pleura, and costal surface covered by costal pleura. Mediastinal surface is covered by mediastinal pleura, and diaphragmatic surface covered by diaphragmatic pleura. Now bronchopulmonary segment of left lobe.